Once upon a time in a quiet jungle, there lived an elephant named Ellie, who had a big problem: she couldn't stop sneezing. Every time Ellie sneezed, trees shook, birds flew away, and all the animals ran for cover. Achoo, she'd go, and monkeys would fall from trees, lions would lose their naps, and parrots would drop their bananas. One day the jungle animals held a meeting. "We need to help Ellie," said Leo the lion, rubbing his sleepy eyes. Dr. Owl checked Ellie's trunk. There's a tiny feather stuck in here." He carefully pulled it out with tweezers. Ellie wiggled her trunk. "Let's see if that worked," said Dr. Owl. Ellie took a deep breath and nothing happened. The animals cheered and danced around her. "No more sneezy earthquakes," laughed the monkeys.